Hi guys, Scott McConnell here with Distance CME. In this week's Minute Review, we have a great tip about endotracheal tube intubation. So this tip comes from Rodney Wolf, the director of EMS at St. Luke's EMS, here in Allentown in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. So here we have a standard 8.0 endotracheal tube. And this endotracheal tube we all are pretty well familiar with. We have a preloaded stylet, does not extend beyond the Murphy's eye, and we've all been taught how to intubate. But if you have a patient who's exceptionally anterior, coming from the side and then rolling your fingers up points the tip of the tube a lot more anterior, making it much easier for those difficult intubations. Thank you, Rodney. Great tip. And by the way, guys, if you have any tips or tricks you'd like to share with EMS as a whole, feel free to send them to me at admin, ADMIN, @distancecme.com.